Piny Kenya kod Amerka osingo kedo kod tim mar ndiko kaka jotich nyithindo ma pod hikgi ni piny. Jatend migawo mar weche jotich e pacho ka Alfred Mutua gi nyawadgi ma Amerka Thiali olero ni ji matimo makamano kata tim makamano owinjo bed ni yudo kum mager. Jotelogo wuoyo kinde mane gichuo kokgi e ogirimiti madhi konyo pinje ariyogo tiyo kanyakla mar riwo sekta mar jotich.
Thank you. Kenya. So should we hold it up?
We stand up and...
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So this MOU also covers issues of how we can work and learn together in terms of child and labor and forced labor to ensure that we have an environment where children are not being used to work. Children should be in school. We don't have child labor. Even we don't have people coming from outside this country to come here to work under child labor. We've also looked at how we can cooperate together in terms of compensation systems.
Signing this memorandum of understanding so we can figure out ways that we can work together productively and cooperatively as partners, as friends, on issues of mutual interest and importance, including safety and health, preventing child labor and forced labor, but also working together towards a just transition in clean energy, employment and training, and strengthening unemployment compensation and labor market information systems. So we are delighted to be here.